How to fix Outlook disconnected issue on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook disconnected issue on Android phone. First thing to do here is to go to Play Store and just check if there's any update, and then if you find here updates, just update your Outlook, and or you can just go to settings. If that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and type here Outlook, click on it, and then click force stop, and go to storage, clear cache, and go to data usage, and make sure all of those are allowed. And that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And if that doesn't fix it, come back here to storage, clear data, and after that you will need to log in again to all your accounts, but your problem will be fixed, and see you in the next video.